I like this because I can work it. Oh, not that. My shoulder don't like that.
My hand says on that 8.
Yeah. You hear that? When it says click, it's done. I like these torque wrenches better than the other one. And you know that you don't have to release this when you put it away on these kind.
I'll turn it back to 0.
You don't have to turn it back to 0 on these. These are James type. I mean, it's a good habit to be in, but you don't have to. Ready, over? That wasn't too bad. You can tell which ones are working. Let go. One more. Barely one more. Yeah, this one I already. No, I can't tell if that was, that's the bolt movement. They already torqued that one to, there it went. That's the one I already went. I went to 600 on a couple of them. This one also. This is a good aerobic workout.
Yeah?
Yeah, you should be on this end.
Why?
Because I'm... Hey guys. I didn't know bolts could handle that much torque. You got enough there? What are we doing? Ooh, this is one there. Okay. We're gonna go around the rosy again, huh? Ready? Come here. You'll have to run the handle.
Well, you did a wonderful job.
Huh?
No, we're gonna 900 foot pound.
We're looking for a new employee owner to join our growing Great Lakes Cheese family in Wausau. Competitive pay and great benefits.
There's two of the smartest guys I know.
Online at greatlakescheese.com/careers. Great Lakes Cheese is
Hey.
community affirmative action employer. During you
Things the guys gotta do. She's all back together though. Look at there, man. She's all bolted up, eh? Boy, she fit together pretty damn good today. It didn't take us long. You'll see it in that. See me putting it together, me and the guys, and look at all the junk I gotta step on here. Yeah, we put it together in not too long. I would do a big backup shot and see how that. Wow. I didn't put my level on it yet, but you know, she looks pretty damn good from the road. That's all that matters, right? So yeah, we were able to. I did the same technique that I did for leveling that. To line up the bolt holes, I put some bolts in there and then I got the level out so I could line up the bearing, and then it came back together a little bit cockeyed, cattywampus, as I say, cattywampus. So we had to come along from, you didn't see that, but we had a chain all the way over to this caribou, to the tail end of it, and I come along and we were able to just get that thing lined up perfect, the bearing, and get the bolts in. So yeah, tomorrow, I think I'll be plowing snow in the morning. Whoops. And we're supposed to get 5 inches of snow tonight, and then Thursday another 7 or 12 or something. I don't know. I'm tired. We had to torque all them bolts. The boys. I ran out of steam here at the end of the day, and they put in, I don't know, 20 minutes, half hour of torquing them bolts. We had to use a torque multiplier. You'll see that. You saw that here in the video. But inside that compartment, wow. I found out what my snap-on impact can put out. 600 foot-pound, it'll put out 600 foot-pounds of torque. So I set up my torque wrench and I could barely reach in there with my big snap-on, and I set it at 600, and they were all at 600, but we put them up at, those are 1-inch 8 bolts, 6 inches long, and they're at 918, I think, dry. So that's a lot to torque on their bolts, so they're in and we're good to go. So while I'm in the plow tomorrow, Troy's going to put the drive unit back in, or the drive shafts, and that small piece in there, hook all the hoses up, and that should be it. That should be all she wrote for Mr. Timbco. She should be gone here in the next day or so. So yeah, that's it. don't know what I'm doing much lately other than talking, and they got the air conditioner mounted in that. Well, let's not look at me. Let's look at something. So I showed you that. You'll see me torquing on it. They got that nice unit mounted in there today. Figuring out where they're going to route the AC lines and the controls and I'll show you a view from the back side. A little dark over here, but basically that's it right there. You can see through to the fresh air intake and whatnot, but that's that red dot unit is installed. And now we're actually going to get some time here. I'm going to put some pressure on the boys to get this machine done. We got to get it. It's been here long enough. And spring breakup is right around the corner, and I got to get these big long projects done. I've been wearing out my welcome on some of that stuff, but it's just nonstop. With when it got cold, and the guy just brought a cylinder in that was snapped off on his old skidder, and my machine shop buddy, we got stuff coming for him, and we got to get that stuff done out. And you got to like working 12-hour days, I guess. So yeah, what else I can tell you? Troy was up on the reservation this morning. His job went well. Kyle's going out tomorrow to change a water pump on a Ponzi. It's just roll, roll, roll. It's all right. Hope you guys are all well out in the world, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and like I said, that should conclude Mr. Timbco. So hope you enjoyed that, and we'll go from there. See you, bye.